You can all agree that Facebook has a larger user base, making it more attractive target for hackers, and this means that the potential number of compromised Facebook accounts could be significantly higher. But here's the good news. You can prevent your Facebook account from unauthorized logins by activating two-factor authentication, and in which we are going to guide you through in this tutorial as you subscribe. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. Click the three bars on top of your profile. You'll go to settings, and then you will find the accounts center. Click on it. Click on your profile, and then you will see two-factor authentication. Click on your profile, and then you will enter your password, Facebook password. If you created your account using an email, you will be asked to enter the code that has been sent to your email. You need to enter the code, and then after that you will need to choose the authentication method, two-factor authentication method, that is authenticator, text, or security keys. All of them work in the same principle. For me, I'll go with the authenticator app since I have the authenticator, Google Authenticator app. I'll click next. Instruction for setup, I need to copy the key. Go to my Authenticator app. What you can see is a black screen because Google Authenticator doesn't allow screen recording. So I'll need to click on the plus icon and then paste the key and the account name for my Facebook. After that, I need to note down the number that has been generated by Google Authenticator app. Click next. And then I'll enter the code. So the code is 556525, and then I'll click next. And then two-factor authentication is on. I'll click the done button, and that's it. My account is secure and no one can log in without my authorization. Follow us for more productivity tips and tutorials.